Hello, this is Natasha from YMO Homeschool, and today I wanted to give you a flip through of Spelling Wisdom Book 2. This is from Simply Charlotte Mason. Learn today's 6,000 most frequently used words. All right, so this program has 5 books, as you can see here. Book 1, grades 3 to 5. Book 2, the one I'm showing you here, is grades 5 to 7. Book 3, grades 7 to 9. Book 4, grades 9 to 11. And Book 5, grades 11 to 12. Now, what this spelling program is a dictation method of spelling. So this, each book includes 140 lessons, and you should do it twice a week. And the goal is to finish one book over 2 years, doing it twice a week. There's a total of 12,500 words, the 6,000 most commonly used English words, and then another 6,500 words to make up the 12,500 total words in books 1 through 5. All right, now I want to tell you how to use this book. So basically what you do is you give the student the passage to study. Now they could take a few minutes or even a few days to study the words. They're supposed to look at each word with you to identify any words they think they might have trouble with, and then they study the words. Again, it could be a few minutes to a few days, and then when they're ready, you dictate the passage to them as they write. However, if they misspell a word, you should cover it up immediately with a sticky note so that the wrong spelling doesn't get engraved in their mind. And then after the dictation is done, if they've missed any words, then you'll want them to write the words correctly on the self-stick notes. Okay, and then it gives you some information on how to study a word, how to use this ebook, and then the content. So there's an introduction and then all of the exercises. So this is already compiled for you, but you can do this dictation method really with anything. So any books, anything you want, you could pull dictation from. So you'll see exercise 1, really easy, okay? I'm going to flip now to sort of the middle of the book. As you can see, that just got much longer. So you would go through this, and if they think, I might have trouble with satisfactory, then you would know that they need to study that word before giving the dictation. Now I'll go about 3/4 of the way through. And notice they need to know the punctuation as well. In this particular one, there's dialogue. And then let me go to the end. As you can see, these passages are quite long. Here is the end, and it's continued on the next page. So we start off with one sentence. We end up with, a page and a half. So it, of course, progresses slowly, and this is done over the course of 2 years. So there's, you don't need to panic. But, it covers a lot of words, as it says. The content is not thematic, meaning all of the passages are not about the same thing. They're about various different things, but of course, good, wholesome things that they'll be reading, so nothing, inappropriate. But anyway, this I had purchased the ebook, and I printed it out and had it spiral bound at Office Max, but you can buy the physical book too if you don't want to do that. But anyway, that is Spelling Wisdom for you. So it's, a non-traditional approach to spelling with the dictation method. I hope that helps you. Have a wonderful day.